Okay, folks, here comes the smart train number. I won't say it's a number. This is the train I'm gonna be taking back to Larkspur, and I'm gonna have a good luck riding with DMU's 115 and 116 leading this one off. Southbound train heading to Larkspur. Here it is now. And I saw this set was 115, 116 was parked at the Smart Train Sonoma County Airport yard.
As a reminder, please offer seats to the elderly and persons with disabilities.
But now it was back. But now it's back in service. But now I'm glad it's back in service. I mean, they were not using it right now, but now they started to use it.
Next station, Santa Rosa Norte. Próxima estación, Santa Rosa Norte.
So guys, here we go heading back on this smart train from Sonoma County Airport to Larkspur, the southbound. There goes the smart train bell. It's just ringing the bell here because those railroad crossings are quiet zones. Means no train horn, so only the bell. Are going fast on this train. Railroad crossing quiet zone here. We're going very fast, but now we're slowing down again because I think Santa Rosa North Station is now approaching. There's more rail crossing quiet zones coming up, except for heading to Petaluma downtown or heading to Nevada Center Inn. Instead, I'm an except for that. I'm sorry.
Arriving Santa Rosa North Station. Llegando a la estación norte de Santa Rosa.
Alright folks, here's another smart train on the other side. The DMUs on that one heading to Windsor. DMUs on that one are 105 and 106. Oh, sorry, I meant when it's heading northbound I say 106 and 105. When it's heading southbound I say 105 and 106. Go again. Next stop is Santa Rosa Downtown Station.
Next station, Santa Rosa Downtown. Próxima estación, Santa Rosa Centro.
Railroad crossing quiet zone areas approaching here because only the train is ringing a bell instead of just doing both the bell and blow the horn. Huh, he just honked in the quiet zone. Now arriving Santa Rosa Downtown Station.
the downtown station, llegando a la estación del centro de Santa Rosa.